If you've been looking for a lake house at Lake Martin that feels like a throwback to the old days when you drive down a road and you're just surrounded by trees, 325 Sears Bluff Road could be a good fit for you. And the boat dock and the boat lift are already done for you, ready to go. You can see that's Little Kowaliga right there, so you're sitting a little bit off of the big water, out of the traffic, yet you can just hop right in and access it. You can be to Real Island Marina fast, around the corner to the landing at Parker Creek, and everything on the Kowaliga side is close by. There's so many places to enjoy the lake and look at from here. You've got decks on each side, like through here you got a screen porch that leads to another deck. There's a deck down one level lower than that. You got your covered boat slip or covered boat dock just right down there. Here I'm on the screen porch here, and you can see the lake behind me. And like I said, I mean, it's a fixed up lake house. It doesn't feel like a museum. It's accessible, it's fun. This is gonna make a great lake house for somebody that just likes to enjoy the lake, likes to hang out. There's plenty of deck space to grill. It's got a great view of the Little Kowaliga area of Lake Martin, and it's got an easy walk to the lake. So if an updated lake house that feels like it's dropped in the middle of the woods, if that appeals to you, this might be a good fit. I'm John Coley with Lake Martin Voice Realty, and I'd love to help you out with this house or any other house on the lake for that matter. Just give me a call or a text. Thanks.